How are you people doing? Today we're going to see a story from the times of the Buddha, 25 centuries back. And this story is found in the Dhammapada of the Tipitak. And this talks about how the body is, how disintegrating it is, and we have too much attachment to the body. So let's get into the story. It's very interesting. It so happened that there was a courtesan at Rajgir, present day Rajgah, near Bihar, and this courtesan's name was Sirima. And she made a habit, she was a lay devotee of the Buddha, she made it a habit to donate alms food to at least 8 monks a day. So she used to personally come and gives the alms food to the bhikkhus, the monks. So the bhikkhus came back to the monastery and they used to describe how beautiful she was and the delicious food that she would serve. A young bhikkhu who had just been ordained, without even seeing Sirima, fell in love with her because he heard how beautiful she was, and he insisted to the other bhikkhus that I want to come with you when you all are going for alms food. So he went with them the next day when it was time for alms food, and it so happened that Sirima was very sick, and she insisted that while the alms food was being given, she wanted to be present. Even though she was very sick, the young bhikkhu's eyes fell on Sirima, and he thought to himself how beautiful she is, even though she is sick. And that night itself, Sirima died. And King Bimbisar told the Buddha that Sirima has died, and then the Buddha told him that please keep her body in the cemetery, protect it, the body from vultures, crows, and I'll tell you when the body has to be disposed of, when the body has to be buried. 3 days the body was just kept in the cemetery. On the 4th day, the body had become bloated, and the Buddha decided to call all his monks and the king to where the body was lying. And everybody, even the monk who had fallen in love with Sirima, also decided to go. He did not even know that Sirima had died, and he just came to know that they had to go and see Sirima. So he went with everybody, and then he was shocked when he saw the body because it was bloated and there was an ugly smell coming from the body. And then the Buddha announced to everybody that Sirima's body is available. Sirima is going to be with you all for a night for 1,000. So anybody is there to take it. Even the other people were there. So none of them answered. Then he said, she is even available for 500 rupees a night. Nobody even uttered a word. And then the Buddha told everybody that when she was living, look at Sirima, when she was living, there were so many who were willing to even pay 1,000 a night to spend one night with her. But now nobody is there. I mean, nobody is ready to be with her even without any payment. Body of a person is subject to deterioration and decay. And then he said the following words in Pali. Passa chittakatam bimbam arukayam samussitam aturam babu sankappam yasa nathi duvam titi, which means look at this dressed up body, a mass of sores, so filthy, supported by bones, sickly, a subject of many thoughts, that is of sensual desires. Indeed, this body is neither permanent nor enduring. And at the end of this discourse, the young bhikkhu became a Sotapatti. So when we look at the story and the Pali verse, we understand that this human body to whom we are so attached is subject to decay, deterioration, and we are so attached to it. And by this story, we understand that the world is impermanent. We are impermanent. Human body, it's very difficult to get a human life. So friends, make use of every moment to realize this anicca and dukkha. May all beings be happy.